Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Then you need to click on notifications and status bar, scroll down again and select one of your apps. Then click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from. In my case, Amazon Shopping. So now as you can see, all notifications from this app are off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!